The ongoing business sector cost of one Theta organization fundamentally is $123, which especially is genuinely critical. Theta organization Theta sort of is determined to arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.41 toward the finish of 2025. Sort of additional appearance how Theta organization Theta certainly is gauged to sort of arrive at a typical cost of $0.41 toward the finish of 2025, or so they really thought. Theta organization Theta is expected to truly arrive at an essentially greatest cost of $159.87 constantly 2030, or so they generally thought. Long-haul examination recommends that Theta organization cost might actually flood to $1,261 by 2050, with a likely reach somewhere in the range of $1,193 and $1,380 in a truly significant manner. The typical extended cost for Theta organization in 2040 in every way that really matters is supposed to be $957.05, with especially likely fluctuation somewhere in the range of $9.10 and $1.90 in an essentially significant manner. Starting around 22 February 2024, Theta organization especially is exchanging at $1.23 in term of its ERST rate, with a value change of 31% in most recent 1 hour in a fundamentally significant manner. Theta in a real sense has a for the most part complete market cap of $21,225.82.15 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $27,889.972 in an unpretentious manner. This by and large makes Theta organization Theta especially positioning at 63 in the digital money market in a truly significant manner. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2024, what will Theta organization truly be fundamentally worth in 2024 in every practical sense large way? Is Theta organization a very wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2024, which really is very huge? Will Theta cost fundamentally outperform its record-breaking high, which for the most part is very critical? These in a real sense are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future. Theta organization Theta value expectation 2024 as per the Theta organization estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Theta cost truly is supposed to explicitly cross an especially normal value level of $1.66. The normal truly least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to for the most part be $1.60 in a significant manner. Besides, Theta can arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $1.92 in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization value expectation February 2024. The cost of Theta organization sort of is explicitly anticipated to generally reach at a really least worth of $1.11 in February 2024, which in a real sense is very huge. The Theta cost could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.25 with a genuinely normal exchanging worth of $1.21 all through 2024 in a sort of significant manner. Theta organization value gauge Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the really greatest cost for Theta organization could for the most part stretch around $1.31. Moreover, the minimum cost of Theta in Walk 2024 explicitly is $1.19 with an essentially normal cost of $1.25 in a significant manner. Theta value estimate April 2024. The Theta organization figure for April 2024 expects that the Theta may explicitly arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.36 with a base cost of around $1.23 by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. Discussing the truly normal value Theta can sort of stretch around $1.28 for April in a really significant manner. Theta organization Theta value expectation May 2024. The cost for Theta organization in May 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.28 and $1.42, while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to be around $1.34, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta organization value estimate June 2024. The by and large normal cost of Theta organization Theta could commonly go to $1.36 toward the finish of June 2024, which fundamentally is very huge. Theta could generally be exchanging around an exceptionally most extreme worth of $1.49 with a base expected cost of $1.30, which by and large is genuinely critical. Theta organization Theta value expectation July 2024. The cost for Theta organization in July 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.36 and $1.55 in an unobtrusive manner. While the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $1.42 in a for the most part large manner. Theta organization Theta value expectation August 2024. The cost for Theta organization in August 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $142 and $163 in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. While the especially normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $147. Theta organization value gauge September 2024. In September 2024, the genuinely greatest cost for Theta organization could for the most part stretch around $170, which especially is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of Theta in September 2024 in every way that really matters is $1.46 with a sort of typical cost of $1.50 in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization value gauge October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Theta organization fundamentally is supposed to be at around at least $1.49 or so they thought. Theta organization cost can sort of arrive at a fundamentally limit of $1.77 with the truly normal cost of $1.53 in USD, especially further appearance how Theta organization value gauge September 2024. In September 2024, the essentially greatest cost for Theta organization could truly stretch around $1.70, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta value conjecture. November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Theta organization generally is gauged to in a real sense be at around an essentially least worth of $1.54, which generally is very huge. The Theta organization value worth can for the most part arrive at an essentially limit of $1.84 with the typical exchanging worth of $1.59 in ASD, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Theta organization value gauge December 2024. In every practical sense, normal cost of Theta organization Theta could really go to $1.66. Toward the finish of December 2024, Theta could generally be exchanging around an essentially greatest worth of $1.92 with the truly least expected cost of $1.60, or so they generally thought. Theta organization extremely past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Theta network's cost most certainly has shown a kind of good increment of 593% in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours, certainly further appearance how the Theta organization value worth can in a real sense arrive at a genuinely limit of $1.84 with a typical exchanging worth of $1.59 in USD, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. From in every way that really matters, most recent 7 days the Theta essentially was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 989% in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization certainly has shown exceptionally kind of solid pretty potential recently, and this could be especially great chance to truly dive right in and contribute, or so they thought. Theta organization value gauge 2024 facts. What will fundamentally be Theta organization for the most part worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? The Theta cost is gauged to for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $1.92 with really least cost of $1.60 toward the finish of 2024, which certainly is very critical. Does Theta